Project management tools and techniques. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be having an amazing discussion on project management tools and techniques. We're going to be diving into two popular platforms, Monday.com and Trello. So we'll explore their features and demonstrate how they can make, video related tasks like content creation or such as those for our channel. So let's start with Monday.com. So Monday.com is this platform that offers a visually appealing and intuitive interface that is really perfect for organizing your tasks and tracking your progress. Here we have this board. This is the one board that we're working on. This is a research project one. Let me head over to it right here. So you see guys, this is our basic board in Monday.com. You can see I'm already working on this one. This is in the Kanban view form. And this is a board that says working on it. This is the one that says you're stuck. This is the one where you're waiting for approval. So let's just say you're a content creator or a YouTuber, right? And you make videos. So this is where you can put down all of your topics. You can add in the description of the topics. And then you can just write all of them down right here. And basically just move the topics around here and there to keep track of your progress with the videos. So let's just say you have to first write down a script for the video, then you'll have to shoot the video and then edit the video out, get up with the thumbnails and the post-production part, all of that. You can just make different boards right here for that purpose. For example, let's just say let's edit this out, this one, or just add a new request, and I can change this group and make it to scripting. I just created this one request, and here each column represents a stage in the progress you're working on. So this is the working on it, this is the one you're stuck at it. Let's just say this is the one you're stuck at it. And then once you're done, you can just drag and put it down into waiting for approval. So you and your team members can collaborate on all of these scripts and the videos. And also you can attach and add in relevant files or links to help them around with this video. So this ensures that everyone is on the same page and really reduces the risk of miscommunication. Once everything is good to go, you can just simply drag it and put it down here saying done. You see, these are the topics for the videos, as you say. And also an amazing feature here is that you can have an automation added. Let's just say something is done already, so this is automatically going to delete itself from here. That way you're already done with the topic, so you don't have to specifically go ahead, click onto this column and specifically delete it. You can just simply add an automation for that. I have about 3 automations added into my board that says when a status changes to stuck, it's going to notify this person. And then when the status changes to done, it's going to move the item to done. And when the status changes to new, it's going to start and tell you how long it has been open when the changes has been done. This is basically like the time tracking thing that I've added in here. So this is super, super helpful, meaning that in case you want to know how long it takes for somebody to work on a specific task, you can just add in the time tracker and just look into it later on. There are multiple other different automations that you can add to, make the most out of Monday.com. You can just simply say when this particular thing happens, let's just say when a column changes or when the date has been passed, then you have to send somebody an email. You can just simply create this automation. Send an email to me and just simply create the automation if the due date has passed. You can also type in that email, preset it, or have it preset it and just simply create that automation. But for this purpose, you'll also need to connect your Gmail account with Monday.com to send in these emails. Now that the automations are done, I'll show you a quick and easy way to start and set up your own board. For that purpose, just simply go onto your homepage, onto Monday.com, and from your homepage, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to the projects that you're working in and click on Add Workspace. And once you click on Add Workspace, you'll basically need to enter in all of your details to see if the workspace is open, on private, or closed. And once let's just call this workspace 101. for exemplary purposes. And once this workspace is created, you can start creating boards. You can add them from templates to start it off from scratch. You can have them as customer projects, CRM, or just work around your way with it. You see, this is very heavily customizable, and for beginners, this might look like this is a lot, but it really isn't. If you just, start using Monday.com for a while, you'll just get the hang of it. Now that this is being done, let's switch our gears and explore Trello. So let's transition up to Trello here. Trello is known for its simplicity and flexibility. This is like the ideal project management tool people usually go for. Here we have this Trello board that is customized for video production. And it's super, super, super easy to make. As opposed to Monday.com, Monday.com might not be that user-friendly for beginners, but this is super easy. All you have to do is, if you want to start off by creating your new Trello board, you just simply go onto Trello, log in, and click on create. But before we get into that, let me show you how this Trello board looks like. So similar to Monday.com, each list again over here represents a stage into the workflow. Like this is for to do, this is under progress, this is done, and this is right here for final review. So this is a channel that says Sally's Forensic Lab, which is a channel that basically deals in with forensic science and videos related to that. Here, the first thing is to brainstorm ideas. The second one being experimental setup. This is a video collecting funds for the research, visiting medical camps. Amazing thing about this is you can simply add in the due dates, click add notifications, and once again, like Monday.com, you can add in members, labels, checklists, attachments, covers to make sure everyone again is on the same page as you are. And you can also add in detailed descriptions. You can also add in buttons, automations, power-ups, and also actions. So let's try adding certain automations here. Here, once again, you can add or remove specific lists from here, join cards, set due dates or start date, and all of that. Now, here we are, let's just say we're brainstorming ideas for a video. What we're gonna do is that we can have our team members specifically discuss and talk about those ideas in real time, ensuring that we're working on the most impactful content. Now, you might be thinking that all of these features are pretty similar to Monday.com as well, but what is it that sets both of these apart from each other? So in case of Trello, what Trello does is in its editing section right here, let me just click on the editing section here. Editors can, actually really pick on the tasks, work on them, and mark them as complete. Managers, however, can only review the edits in the review list, and they can provide their feedback, ensuring quality control before publishing it actually. Like here, I can add in the button and the automation to have publishing stuff. Let's just say somebody's working here, a member is working here, I can fully edit it, work up on tasks, and also mark them as complete. And then my manager, the person who's managing me up, they can review it and have it, under the control before finally uploading or publishing the video. Now, by leveraging these project management tools, we can enhance collaboration, improve the efficiency, and also deliver high quality videos really consistently. So this leads us to the final question. Monday.com or Trello? Which one of them is better? In my opinion, both of them are excellent project management tools with their own strengths and suitability depending upon the specific needs of the type of team that you have. But as for Monday.com, it is very visually appealing, and there are a lot of customization options as opposed to Trello. And they also have really good integration. Monday.com helps integrate almost everything basically. They have so many third-party apps, services, enhancing its functionality and compatibility with a lot of your existing workflows. It is, compatible with so many different apps. There's recurring tasks. There's so many different, integrations here into the Monday marketplace. You can look them up right here. And then let's talk about the automation features. The platform offers so many powerful automation features, making it, really reducing all the manual work you're gonna actually have to do. Now moving on to Trello. In case of Trello, Trello really excels in it being simple. The simplicity it offers is what would make me personally choose Trello over Monday.com. It's really easy for teams to, team members and, people to adapt using Trello without having any training. It really has this minimalist design that focus on straightforward task management, or pretty less complicated stuff or buttons to push and go about. It's also pretty flexible, and the user experience Trello, really prioritizes on is having this intuitive interface to make it really easy to navigate here and there without, having somebody to help you around with it. And also, another leverage Trello offers you is the fact that Trello offers a generous free plan with essential features. With so teams who have limited budgets or those who are looking to test out the platform before committing to a proper actual paid subscription, so Trello is your go-to. In that case, even Monday.com is not far-fetched. Even Monday.com actually really offers you to use pretty much all of their features without the payment plan. But in case you're a larger organization, you would definitely need to subscribe and go over with the plans. So guys, in summary, Monday.com excels in its visual appeal, customization options, but on the other hand, Trello's simplicity really wins everything over. So ultimately, the better tool depends upon your team's specific requirements, preferences, and workflow dynamics. So it's advisable to use and try both of them out to see which one works for you the best. So guys, thank you so much for sticking out until the end of the video. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe. Until next time.